Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll show you what is the Add Your feature you see on your TikTok profile. If you're new on the channel and you want to find out more about your iPhone, your Android phone, or any other social media apps, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button to become a part of the Simple Dad community. Hit the like button if you find this video useful. So have you noticed a new button on your profile where it says Add Yours? If you have, then let me tell you what it is all about. So the Add Yours button is a button that appears below your TikTok bio and lets you create a prompt stickers that others can interact with. It's exactly the same as Instagram's Add Yours feature, which lets people respond to a prompt on stories with photos or videos. So you can create a sticker that contains text like your best July moments so far, or 5 best pictures with your most important person. Then you can add photos or videos and then relate it to that caption. Others can then click on the prompt and then add their own picture and create a video out of it. It's replacing the Q&A button, which lets users ask questions to the creator to help learn more about them and dive deeper into their content. So let me show you how to use this Add Yours feature on your TikTok app. So before you begin, first make sure you update your TikTok app to the latest version so you get this feature. So go to your App Store or your Play Store, search for TikTok, and make sure TikTok has been updated to the latest version. Now once that's updated, go ahead and open the app. Now here you want to go to your profile page at the bottom right. And now you'll see the Add Yours button, which will just appear under the profile info. So to create a video using Add Yours, tap on it. And now you'll get to this page where you'll need to create a new prompt. So you'll basically start a new thread or a new video idea. So tap on New Prompt. Now here you can go ahead and type your prompt. So for example, your best July moments or 5 pictures with your most important person. Now if you cannot think of an idea, you can use this dice here to give you a suggestion on what to post about. So if you tap on it, this will now give you some suggestions. So for example here, a group photo with your best friends. So if you have a group photo with your best friends, you can go ahead and post this. Now I've uploaded something from my photo library. You can go ahead and add your usual stuff like text, stickers, and any effects, and then post this video to TikTok. So now once that video is posted, it'll then appear in the For You page for other people. Now they can basically look at your best photo with your best friend, and they can basically get involved in this thread as well by tapping on it and then tapping on Add Yours. And now the next person can start using this Add Yours feature and creating a video out of it. So there you go. That is what the new feature Add Yours is all about on TikTok. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.